Welcome to the Python Beginner series. In this video, we continue our journey by mastering variables, core data types, conditional branching, and loops using real Python code. First, let's explore variables and data types. You will learn how Python stores information in memory and how it handles different kinds of data seamlessly. Variables act as named containers for stored data. Remember to follow naming rules, use the assignment operator, and take advantage of the ability to reuse or update values as needed. Python uses several core data types. Integers are for counting, floats for precision, strings for text, and booleans for true or false conditions. Python's dynamic typing allows for flexible memory allocation. Types are determined at runtime without explicit declarations, making your code concise and easier to maintain. Next, we move to control flow and logic, which allow you to guide program execution using conditional statements. Conditional logic with if statements helps your code evaluate expressions. Remember to use consistent indentation and appropriate comparison operators for your branches. Finally, we cover loops and iteration, which help you automate repetitive tasks effortlessly. Here we compare for and while loops. Use, quote, for loops for known sequences and while loops to execute code as long as a specific condition remains true. Python is a top choice for beginners, scoring highly for its simple syntax, development speed, and the wealth of community resources available to you. Here is our learning roadmap. We started with basics, moved to data types and logic, and the next step is building your own mini apps. We hope this video helped clarify these core concepts. Are you ready to build your first Python project? Let's keep coding.